Air Corps films of Japanese aircraft captured in the Clark Field area, Luzon, Philippine Islands. Members of a technical air intelligence unit inspect a Dinah III Reco plane. Taking measurements of the Dinah III, close to the 400-mile-per-hour class, it's the only plane used by both the Jap Army and Navy. Captured Jap airplane equipment and parts. The Japanese Molotov cocktail, a bottle of inflammable liquid. The igniter fits inside the tapes. Zeke Navy fighter is the famous Zero. Betty is the standard twin-engine medium bomber. Judy, a Navy dive bomber, has a top speed of 350 miles per hour. Gale, a single-engine low-wing Navy torpedo bomber. Tojo, a fast, rugged, and dangerous Jap fighter, has limited maneuverability. The plane is equipped with a 14-cylinder, 1,415-horsepower radial engine. George carries 4 20-millimeter wing guns and can mount 2 additional 7.7-millimeter fuselage guns. Tony, first Jap fighter with armor and inline engine. 2 Nicks, operational twin-engine fighters. The Nick night fighter has cannon which fires over the pilot's head. Frank is a new Army fighter encountered in numbers in the Philippines. With powerful engine and 4-bladed propeller, it goes 426 miles per hour. The Frank is heavily armed, equipped with armor and leak-proof tanks. With a new engine installed and repainted with American markings, the Frank is given a flight test. Captured enemy aircraft is giving our air intelligence knowledge of the latest developments in Jap Army and Navy planes.